Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we show you how to use ClickFunnels for e-commerce. This is a great way to create high-converting sales pages and streamline your online selling process. Let's get started. On your ClickFunnels dashboard, to set up an e-commerce funnel, all we need to do is click the panels in the upper left part of the dashboard. From here, we click the Create Funnel button. Then we search for e-commerce. Simply type e-commerce in the template search bar to find it quickly. As you can see, there is a 4-page e-commerce storefront. We just click on it, then click Use this template to add it to our ClickFunnels account. Now we just need to wait for it to install. Once it's done, we click Customize to start editing the e-commerce funnel. Then we click the editor to open our page. Let's wait for it to load. Here, we can edit the storefront page. If we want to replace a photo, we can do that right here. We can also edit the caption for orders. We can change the buttons and customize the page however we like. We can also visit the product page by clicking on it to make further changes. To set up the workflows, we click Workflows, Opt-ins, and Orders. We can customize everything here to match our needs. We can also track orders and view data from the last 40 days, including the values and stats of our e-commerce store. All of these stats are easy to find right here. We can browse all transactions in our ClickFunnels account. And that's how we use ClickFunnels for e-commerce. With this setup, we can build effective sales funnels and grow our online business more efficiently.